In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a clickable image from Gmail, turning a simple image into a powerful hyperlink. This is an incredibly useful tip if you want to engage your email recipients more interactively, whether you're sending out newsletters, marketing content, or simply want to share a dynamic message with a friend. Embedding a hyperlink within an image can make your emails far more appealing. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper left corner of your screen for the Compose button. Click this to start a brand new email. Doing so will open a new window where you'll draft your message. In this new email window, you'll notice a formatting toolbar near the bottom. Search for the Insert Photo icon that resembles a small picture, then go ahead and click it. This brings up options allowing you to upload an image directly from your computer, insert one from your Google Photos, or even use a URL from an image already online. Choose the option that best suits your needs and select the image you wish to send. Once your image is in the email body, the next step is crucial. Click and carefully drag your mouse cursor over the image until it's highlighted in blue. This ensures the image is fully selected. At this point, we need to transform this image into a hyperlink, directing the recipient to a specific web page. To do that, locate the Insert Link icon in the toolbar. It looks like a small chain or link. Click on it to proceed. Now it's essential to take a moment to click on your image again. Currently the image automatically links to itself, however you don't want that. So, look for the word change that appears next to the link. Click it. A pop-up will now appear inviting you to paste your destination URL into the box provided. This web address is where you ultimately want your image to direct anyone who clicks on it. Make sure the URL is correct before clicking apply. Before you rush to send your email, it's a good practice to double check everything. Click on the image one more time to verify that the link is active and correctly set up. If everything is hooked up and ready to go, you're set to send your email. By following these simple steps, you can transform ordinary images into interactive components of your emails, adding a layer of communicative depth and professional polish. So, give it a try and watch as your email engagement potentially rises with this straightforward yet effective technique.